Dude, Jacob videotape you. It went everywhere.
What's up, guys? Hey, we're doing a head gasket swap on what is this?
720?
1985 720. Reading from the iPhone for a part like that. Got the head bolts right here. Camshaft, cam, and the head. Pretty much we took it on a drive on the freeway. On the way back home, started smoking a shit ton. So we got all of it off. We're gonna go send out the head until we get shaved, and then got everything in order. Pretty much we got a cardboard box. Make sure everything is pretty much lined up, so when we come back to it, then it's much easier. Camshaft over there. Leave all the bolts inside. Don't take them off. Loosen it and then take them off for when it's coming out. Getting the head shaved. Valve cover.
Do you have another cardboard?
And then we're just gonna clean off the
block.
You want to paint it?
No, he doesn't want to paint it till he rebuilds it. I mean, till he builds it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We have to change oil filter. It's always number 3. I get it cleaned off all the crap.
So I'm a support mechanic. This is the main mechanic right here.
No,
He's certified ASC.
I'm just here to get free gloves.
But yeah, pretty much we're gonna go get the head send off. Right?
Yeah.
Is it gonna be turned over today?
Well, we're gonna see. He said it'll take a few hours. So, what time is it? Let's see how they do. They advertise it.
Yeah.
Can we clear this?
Yeah. So.
I'll use my bug unless you two want to go drop it off.
Once we're about. Huh? Doesn't matter.
In your runner?
We can take it in the runner. I'm gonna go talk to you. Yeah.
And I'll watch. Huh?
Well, you talk to the guy, that's what I was like.
Yeah, but it's a shop, so
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna go take it to the shop. Once we go put it back on, we are gonna change the gaskets on the header side and the gaskets on the intake side.
Don't do that.
Don't
learn from that.
Pretty much, and we will be back once everything's done. We'll put it together. Alright.